Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is coming up next month and I wanted to give you some DIY Valentine's Day decoration ideas that can help get you started. Hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe for more party decoration videos. So here I am at Walmart. Make sure that you go before the week of. Now this was from last year, just for a warning for this year. Go as early as you can, starting now, so you can get some good finds. They did have a few things left, like some stuffed animals and some cards. And they did have some little knick-knack items that you can use to either put around the house or you can put in your kids' Valentine's Day bag. And here I found some glitter heart cutouts that I'll be using later on in this video. Let's get started with some decorations. For the most part, the decorations that I actually did use were these hanging Valentine's Day swirls. I used these bear balloons, I used these heart balloons, and I also used some streamers. With the hanging swirls, you carefully pull apart piece by piece to unravel it. And now I'm using this electric air pump to blow up some balloons. You can use any pump that you have. This was an old bed pump that I had around the house, but any pump that you have laying around the house will work just fine. And these are the letter balloons that I'm blowing up now that spell out the words, I love you. Most of these balloons came together in a Valentine's Day decoration kit from Amazon, so make sure to check out the description for the links to these decorations. And now I'm going to thread the ribbon through the holes in the balloon. This will allow you to hang the balloons so much easier. Once you have the letter balloons on the ribbon, you just use tape to help you hang it on the wall. Okay friends, keep watching because I'll show you how I'll create this accent table. I put a tablecloth on our main table. As you can see, it's way too long, so I came up with a great way to use the end of the tablecloth. I just cut it down a little bit and I'm going to use the decorative part of the tablecloth to add to my accent table later. So I just took the part of the tablecloth that I just cut down and I put it on top of my white tablecloth that I had. I'm going to straighten out the edge later. This adds such a great look to my accent table. Okay friends, and now I'm making a centerpiece that's so simple with all the items from the Dollar Tree. I simply have a vase, some flowers, and some vase filler, and all I'm doing is putting it all together to create a budget-friendly, pretty centerpiece for Valentine's Day. Just remember to spread the flowers out once you buy them. It allows you to fill out the space in the vase and make them look that much prettier. Now I'm getting ready to add some ribbon to tie to my balloons. I'm going to hang these balloons upside down from the ceiling with the ribbon, and this is just to add some added decor to the ceiling in my living room. The pink hearts that you see over the fireplace, I did purchase those from the Dollar Tree. So I wanted to show you how I got the look for the streamers that are hanging underneath the balloons. I pretty much took 3 of the colors, put them together and put some tape on them, and then I just did this about 2 or 3 times just to stack it to make it look thicker. Then I'm letting it fall to the floor and then cutting it at the bottom. So I have some cute beer balloons, and I'm going to blow these up and add them right in the middle of the fireplace. It's so cute. Once I get them up, it's some more fun decorations to add to the Valentine's Day decor. I'm just adding double-sided tape to the back of the balloon to hold it up to the fireplace. And here you have it, the final results for our Valentine's Day decorations. I did use the heart glitter decorations that I bought from Walmart to add as some table decor, and also to add to the cabinets to add some more fun to the decorations. Well friends, for our first giveaway, we actually don't have a winner. No one entered to win the giveaway, but make sure you check out the next videos coming up because we will have a Valentine's Day giveaway. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more party decoration videos. I'll see you next week and have a royal day.